What's up guys, welcome to the first tutorial of the Exercism Java track. If you already know about Exercism, then skip to the timestamp on the screen or else please stay. So for the people who don't know much about this, Exercism is an online programming, learning and practice website. But the key feature about Exercism which makes it stand out from the rest is that in Exercism we don't have to stay on the browser and code in the small space given there. Instead, we have to download a file into our local machine and code in our answers in that and send it back for assessment. So it makes it really easy to work with and practice. Also, Exercism has support to over 25 languages and there are tracks for each and every one of them. So I think I forgot to mention, but Exercism is also totally free of cost and you can check them out from the link in the description. It's fine if you don't understand how this works just yet, but you will understand by the end of this video. So let's say hi to the people who skipped till here and start the video. In this video, I will be setting up the Exercism Development environment and doing the Hello World module from the Java track. It's the first. So let's get started. This is the Exercism website where the questions are given. So we will be doing Hello World, and as you see, this program is very simple. We just have to print Hello World in the function given there. So to set up Java, we need to go to this link right here and we need to run some commands in the command prompt as administrator. Yeah, these commands, we have to run these commands in the command prompt. Okay, I'll open cmd as administrator and let's copy this. Oops. Alright. Give me a second and it's done. Now let's restart the shell to save the changes and let's go into admin cmd again. Yes, now I'll copy the second command, Control V, and it's done. So let's refresh environment to save the path variables. Now I think it's time to install Gradle. So choco install Gradle and it's done. Alright, so let's go back to the first website and hit begin walkthrough for the link to download Exercism, using which we will be able to download our questions and send out our answers. So install the CLI without and okay, I think we have to go to that link right there. Yeah. Okay, so let's download the exe file and let's run it. Now let's run the app. Yes, next. Oh yeah, sure. Yes, next, and then right, give me a second, and it's done. Alright. Now let's go back, finish, and then go back to that website. And yes, we were able to successfully install and configure the CLI. Okay, let's copy this to configure our CLI, paste it and run it in cmd. So what this does is it connects our account to the computer, to our PC. Okay, so we have downloaded Exercism and everything we need to get started. Nice. So let's do the Hello World program now. So I copied that link there and then I'm going to paste it in my command prompt. Now we are downloading the question and they have given the part where the question is. So let's go to that place. So cd Exercism, cd Java. You can tab to autocomplete and okay, yes, I did. And then okay, there's our Hello World. Now let's open this in any text editor. I'm going to be using Visual Studio. You can use whatever you want. So code dot to open it in Visual Studio Code. Alright, 1 second. There we go. Nothing big. Okay. So we have to delete this statement. So okay. So to return, the question asks us to return hello world. So to do that, we just have to return a string hello world. Wait, I think there's a format to hello world. Let me just go check. And yes, it's hello comma world and exclamation mark. So let's copy that and put it right there. Oops. Right, so return in quotes hello world and semicolon. Let's save this file, go to our terminal and run gradle test to compile it. Gradle test, let's enter. Oh oops, I'm in the wrong directory. We have to go to cd hello world, and then now we can run it here. Gradle test, and it's compiling. So give me a minute there. Takes over 20 seconds, around 20-30 seconds. Let's see. So it's compiling test Java and 0 tests completed, and there we go, build successful. It has passed all the tests. So let's submit it. So to submit it, you just have to put exercism submit and then the path to the file. So instead of typing the path to the file, you can just put src/main and then tab 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 tab. It will auto complete it for you. So exercism submit source slash main slash backslash tab backslash tab tab. Yeah, there we go, enter. Alright, our solution has been submitted successfully. Now we can go to that link right there, or you can just go to that website and refresh it. Either one works. So there we go. Let's go and publish it, and that's it guys, we're done. So sorry if this video was too long. Since this is the first video in this series, I took time to explain how exercism works. From the next videos, it will be short and crisp. So catch you all in the next one. Like, subscribe, share, and check out exercism. And see you all. Peace.